development of Havoc's relink. To avoid being flanked, you must first break through the enemy's fortified trenches, taking out any artillery position. Move out! Capture the objective! The enemy has cleared objective Charlie 2. Secure all objectives and push back enemy forces. The enemy has secured sector Charlie. The enemy has captured objective Charlie 2. Objective Bravo lost. Objective Charlie 2 cleared. Stay frosty.
Smoke barrage ready.
We have taken objective Charlie 2.
You're in the curtain!
Sector Echo secured. The enemy has taken over objective Charlie 2.
Enemy contact! Fire on the target!
Allied troops engaging at objective Delta. The enemy is attacking objective Alpha. Sector Bravo under control. The enemy has taken sector Charlie. Objective Delta has fallen into enemy hands. Objective Echo lost. The enemy has secured sector Alpha. Objective Alpha has fallen into enemy hands. Allied troops neutralizing objective Charlie 2. Sector Bravo captured. Objective Bravo is ours. The enemy has taken sector Delta. The enemy has taken objective Delta. Allied troops launching an assault on objective Echo.
Changing man!
The enemy has reached 50% of their objectives. We are behind. We've neutralized objective Echo. Objective Bravo is under attack.
Someone help!
Allied troops launching an assault on objective Alpha. Sector Echo captured. We've neutralized Objective Alpha. The enemy has taken over Objective Echo. We've secured Sector Alpha. We have taken Objective Alpha. Allied troops launching an assault on Objective Delta.
Screen release!
The enemy has taken over Objective Bravo. Objective Echo has been cleared by the enemy. Sector Echo just fell to the enemy. The enemy has captured Objective Echo. Allied troops launching an assault on Sector Charlie 1. We've secured Sector Delta. Objective Delta is ours. The enemy has taken over Objective Alpha. Sector Bravo just fell to the enemy. Objective Delta is under attack. Allied troops launching an assault on Objective Bravo. We've secured Sector Charlie. Objective Charlie 1 is under attack. The enemy has cleared Objective Delta.
Smoke screen cover!
Sector Delta just fell to the enemy. The enemy has taken over Objective Charlie 1. Allied troops launching an assault on Objective Delta. Objective Charlie 2 has been cleared by the enemy. The enemy's got the upper hand here. Turn the tide. Allied troops launching an assault on Objective Delta. The enemy has taken over Objective Charlie 1. Objective Charlie 2 has fallen into enemy hands.
Not very much! I need help!
Allied troops launching an assault on Objective Charlie 2. Objective Charlie 1 is under attack. Allied troops launching an assault on Objective Delta. Not much left to fight with. One last push. We've neutralized Objective Bravo.
Strategic beacon ready to deploy.
Objective Charlie 1 is under attack. Sector Bravo captured. Allied troops launching an assault on Objective Delta. The enemy has taken over Objective Charlie 1.
This way!
Get some shade!
Sector Charlie captured. Objective Charlie 2 is ours. Allied troops launching an assault on Objective Delta. We've neutralized Objective Echo. Objective Alpha has been cleared by the enemy. The enemy has secured Sector Alpha. The enemy has taken Objective Alpha. Allied troops launching an assault on Objective Alpha. The enemy has cleared Objective Charlie 1. The enemy has captured Objective Echo. Allied troops launching an assault on Objective Alpha. Objective Charlie 1 has fallen into enemy hands. Objective Charlie 2 is under attack. Sector Delta captured. We've neutralized Objective Charlie 1. Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming. Sector Charlie captured. Objective Charlie 1 is ours. Objective Charlie 1 is under attack. Objective Delta lost. Allied troops launching an assault on Objective Echo.
Take some cover!
Objective Charlie 2 is under attack. The enemy has secured Sector Delta. The enemy has taken Sector Alpha. The enemy has taken Objective Alpha. Allied troops launching an assault on Objective Delta. We've secured Sector Echo. We've neutralized Objective Bravo. Allied troops launching an assault on Objective Alpha. Sector Bravo captured. Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming. Objective Charlie 1 is under attack. Operation failed. Learn from our mistakes and come back stronger.